Welcome to the Finance Value Creation Overview. What is Finance Value Creation, also known as the FVC? Well, Finance Value Creation is the time and effort that finance invests in working with business to drive future performance. The outcome is that the value of the business increases. Finance helps achieve this outcome through the application of 3 core drivers supported by 9 accelerators. This finance function needs to transform into a business partnering role. It simply needs to get closer with business. It gets closer by having influence in decision making. What does business need from finance? Well, it needs better insights, improving its bottom line and cash flow, better systems, processes, automation, do more with less, being forward-looking through financial modeling, real-time monitoring through KPIs, analyzing data for trends and future planning, visualizing business performance through storytelling, and basically becoming a co-pilot in key decision making. So what are the key drivers to value creation? Well, it starts off with intelligence. How did the business perform? Then it moves on to improvements. How can the business perform better? And then finally into insights, which is how will the business perform into the future? And the cycle goes back into intelligence, and so on and so forth. The accelerators of creating value and intelligence is business metrics, data analytics, and data visualization. Business metrics would be finding the purpose and importance of using metrics to track continuous business performance by researching a range of financial and non-financial indicators, as well as an in-depth application of financial analysis. For data analytics, finance would need to discover ways and means to analyze and interpret data to establish trends used for decision making, including the use of statistical tools. For data visualization, finance should explore the possibilities of turning data into visuals through storytelling and using technology to help demonstrate performance. The accelerators creating value and improvements would be cash flow improvements, profits, and efficiencies. So for cash flow improvements, finance should be able to re-engineer and strengthen the business cash flow, which keeps the business alive and its doors open. For profit improvements, it should be able to implement tactics and strategies focusing on the key drivers that boost the bottom line of a business. For efficiencies, it should examine resources and opportunities on robotics, process automation, process improvements, and systemization of a business. And finally, we'll move on to the third key driver, which is insights. Under insights, we've got strategy, forecast, and troubleshooting. So under forecast, finance would need to emphasize the importance of financial modeling, best practice, and covering topics on forecasting, sensitivity, and scenarios, as well as what-if analysis to support decision making. For business troubleshooting, it should lead strategic finance, where it troubleshoots different parts of a business to implement preventative and diagnostic initiatives. And then on business strategy, finance should be in a situation where you can understand the strategy, direction, and planning in order to have influence in designing the future strategy of a business. I hope you found this useful, and this is my view on how finance creates value in a business.